welcome back to my channel. This month my family and I took a trip to London where we saw cool buildings, beautiful castles, amazing landmarks, and of course had afternoon tea with delicious desserts and scones. So to reminisce, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon blueberry scones. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make these lemon blueberry scones, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. And to make the lemon glaze, you'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar and about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. In a large bowl, add the sugar and lemon zest, then mix in order to enhance the lemon flavor. Next, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk all together. Grate or finely chop the butter and mix into the dry ingredients using either 2 forks or your fingers until it comes together in pea-sized crumbs. Cover and place in the refrigerator while we prep the wet ingredients. Whisk together the heavy cream, egg, and vanilla extract. Then pour over the flour mixture and the blueberries, which I coated in some flour. Mix together until there are no more traces of flour. Pour the dough onto the counter and lightly dust some flour. The dough will be sticky. If it's too sticky, you can add a little bit more flour, and if it seems dry, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Press the dough into an 8-inch disc and cut into 8 wedges. Refrigerate for at least 15 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then place the scones on a lined baking sheet about 2 to 3 inches apart. Before placing them in the oven, brush the scones with some heavy cream and sprinkle with sugar for some extra crunch. Bake for 22 to 25 minutes or until golden brown around the edges and lightly brown on top. While the scones are baking, let's make the lemon glaze. In a small bowl, mix the powdered sugar and lemon juice until you have a nice glaze consistency. Remove the scones from the oven and cool for a few minutes. Drizzle the lemon glaze over the warm scones, and now you're ready to enjoy a cup of tea with these delicious lemon blueberry scones.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the scones and I hope you did as well. They are sweet, citrusy, and delicious. Perfect to go with a cup of tea. If you recreate these scones or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your lemon blueberry scones and have a great day. Bye!